Hey guys, welcome out to our shop today. We are working on a very simple project, and what we're going to be doing is creating a storage for our pry bars.
Yep.
And we don't want a big and bulky design, so we're going to be using just pretty much just a basic piece of flat wood with a French cleat system, and we're going to be using some PVC pipe to go along with it. This is going to be a very basic project, so we've got little man in here helping out today, right?
Yeah, this is like my, it was a fun time. I have been in your videos.
No, you've been in them.
Yeah.
Quite a bit. So we're going to go ahead and get building this very simple project. So what we are using is this scrap piece of wood. This is not plywood. You can use plywood if you want. And what we are going to be doing is just going and laying all of these up here for spacing, just so we can see what they would look like. And as you can see, I've got plenty of room that if I wanted to, I could add even more. And that is fine with me. We'll add extra spots for additional ones in case we get something a little bit bigger or longer or whatever.
Yes, like longer this thing, the biggest one we have right here.
Yeah, and this set is the Pittsburgh set from Harbor Freight. I've used it on the engine rebuild quite a bit, and it works pretty well.
Yep.
I have had a little bit of flex on the longer one, but it did hold up and pry fairly well. So now that we've gotten all these where we kind of want them, what we need to do is go ahead and cut a bunch of pieces of PVC pipe to put these in.
So we need to cut off these two sides and boom.
Alright, how long is this?
200.
No, how long?
Oh.
We gotta check it up again. It says 2.5 inches.
2.5 inches.
2.5 inches on there would be fine. So what we are using is that piece of wood, and we've got a prototype section that we had to cut out first, and just to see what would fit over top of these pry bars. So that is 2.5 inches in length, and it is a 3/4 inch piece of PVC pipe. And as you can see, he's demonstrating that it can fit over each and every one of those. If you have them too long, the tip gets stuck inside the PVC pipe, so that's why we went with 2.5 inches. Can you show them with the longer one?
Yep.
So that slides perfect over each and every single one of those pieces. So we're going to cut probably about 7 or 8 more of these little 2.5 inch pieces and get them ready to mount. Alright, little dudes, so the way you want to do it is, now go ahead and come on this side. Nope, other side.
Okay.
Can you open it up any more? Alright, open it. Now squeeze it again.
Open it.
No. Keep squeezing.
That's how.
Keep going.
You can go.
Open it up a little bit. Now go close it again. Now open it. Close it again. Each time it clicks, that's a good thing.
Yep.
So we got 7 pieces cut, somewhat close to all the same size. And now we're going to have to go and drill 2 holes in each of them so that we can get it screwed down to the piece of wood. So we're over here on the drill press with the PVC pieces. I've made just 2 marks, and we're just going to be cutting through the PVC. When you do this with PVC, you don't have to put any pressure on it. You just let the drill bit do its own work, and it cuts very easy. You don't want to cut through the top and the bottom. You only want to cut through this top section, and that's just for the screw head to go through. So what we're doing is just screwing these down now. We're putting the 3/4 inch screw in the hole, and then we are just mounting it. No real precision whatsoever. We're just eyeballing the spacing. fairly simple project. So now that we've gotten all of our PVC pieces all screwed on, what we're going to be doing is mounting a French cleat system on here. And what it is a 45-degree angle cut on a piece of wood, and it creates that little gap on the backside right here, and that's how it hooks onto the other half of the French cleat system. So what we are doing is we're going to line this up very carefully, and we're going to pre-drill 4 holes in here. So there you go, guys. There is the Pry Bar French cleat system right here on just some basic PVC pipe. And if I want to use it, I never know exactly what pry bar I want to get, so I can just take it and lift it down, take it with me, and then if I'm done, it just gets hung back up. Nice and super simple, easy design, and very cheap. Scrap wood, scrap PVC pipe, and some basic screws. And as you can see, I've got this little tiny one. It does not fall through because the handle is bigger than a 3/4 inch PVC. So that works out fantastic. There's nothing underneath for it to hit on. And if later on I want to move it, I can have a French cleat system somewhere else and put it over there. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys like this design, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys would improve it any other kind of way. This isn't any kind of precise thing. If I wanted to do something precise thing, I would have measured each and individual little PVC pipe and stuff like this. This is just a very quick workshop project. Thanks guys for watching and joining today in the shop. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that thumbs up button. And if you guys are new, welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button. I got all sorts of stuff that happens coming out of this shop, from workshop projects, woodworking. I've got a flathead that I am occasionally working on. Just whatever. It's all sorts of stuff. Tune in. We'll see you guys on the next project.